Hi, this is Surinder from Tech Education. Now I am going to explain Kafka Producer Spring Boot application hands-on. In this lecture, we'll understand how to execute this Producer Spring Boot application and how we can see the results which are in the consumer console. So in this lecture, we understand the complete picture how this Producer Spring Boot application is working. In the previous lecture, we already seen that what are the modules involved in this producer Spring Boot application, like app configuration file, that is it contains the producer configuration file, and also how we are using this Kafka template in the service module, and what are the dependencies used in this pom.xml file, and also how this application.configuration file we written. So all these things we already discussed. Now in this lecture we are running this application and we'll see the results, so you can get a complete picture. So my request is, before seeing this video, better to see this previous video so that you get a complete understanding of this producer Spring Boot application. So let us start. Yeah, now we'll see this application in the IntelliJ tool. So first start with there are the four modules are there. The first module is a Producer-Kafka application. This is a Spring Boot application. Then we'll go for this app config file. So in this configuration file, we need to see how this producer factory written, what are the configuration things we can take here. This is bootstrap server configuration and keys relation class, values relation class. These things we have to put into the map, and this map is passed to the Kafka template. So this way we can write the app config file, and then just see this service file, and this service file we have to create this Kafka template, and this Kafka template we have to write this Kafka template dot send, and write this two things like a topic as well as the message what we are passing, and this message is passing through the controller. So okay, the controller we have to write this send message, and this way we can write the program for this controller. This is these modules we can write here, and also we need to understand what are the application config file we written. So we need to take some port. So here we take an 8088. So this is the application name. This is a producer underscore Kafka. While writing this artifact ID we have to give. Then we need to understand what is the pom.xml file. So in the pom.xml file we need to see the web dependencies as well as Kafka dependencies we given. So this is the things we seen in the last lecture. So now we need to run this application. So before running we need to understand this Kafka has to be enabled first. Now, so before running this application we need to do the three steps. The first step is we need to run this Zookeeper server. Then we need to run the Kafka server. After that we need to run, that means we need to open consumer console. Then we need to run this producer so that we can see the output on the consumer console. So just minimize this one and open the command prompt. See, so here Zookeeper, so this is the steps for running of Zookeeper server. Yes. Then next command prompt we need to run the Kafka server. So this runs the Kafka server. Yes, Kafka server also running. Then we need to open the consumer console. So okay, topic is not available, right? Okay, then we need to create a topic. So for topic creation, yes, okay, this is to create a topic name is my topic, my topic one. So topic already exists. Otherwise, take the another topic, topic two. Yeah, topic two is created. So here also you just modify this topic. So my topic two. Okay. Then we need to run this consumer console. So this is a consumer console. Okay, just we opened, right? Now, okay, and now just to open this one. Okay, just run this application. Okay, just yeah. Okay, now we'll see this producer Kafka application is running. Now open browser. Localhost 8088 slash. So what are the endpoint? So here endpoint is send. Okay. Yeah. Yes. See this message sent to the Kafka server. Yeah. See this message sent to the Kafka server. Okay. Now it is running, right? So we can see the output in the console. See, sorry, here we seen this topic one, right? Yeah, control X. So just topic 2. Yeah, this is Surinder from Tech Education. So just run one more time so you can understand. Okay, see, if I run it again, just you can see the output here. See, if you run one more time, So like this, if you run, you'll get the output here. So that means our producer is working. So this is a consumer console. From this Spring Boot application, we run this producer application. We are see the outputs on the consumer console. So here also we see this running this application. Hope you understood and hope you enjoyed this lecture. Yeah, thank you.